let's get personal.
Okay.
I'll give you time to answer.
Okay, okay. What
Oo. Okay, recently, umamin na kayo na hiwalay kayo ni Mayor Mark Alcala.
Yeah.
And how's your heart?
My heart is full right now. I'm really happy. I recovered from the breakup already kasi last year kami Q1. I just really stayed quiet about it. I didn't tell anybody. So ngayon na I'm confirming it to people. I think I'm ready
Parang
to
It's
talk
about
about
time, no?
it. It's about time na rin. Para hindi na rin ako makatanggap ng mga tanong na bakit hindi ka na bumibisita ng Lucena? Kayo pa ba? Bakit parang sabi nila may third party? Pinagpalit ka na? Ayan, rumors, yung mga ganyang tanong. So I think it's also best to confirm it. And yeah, and my heart is okay, right? I'm really happy. And I have nothing against it. Naka-recover na ako sa heartbreak.
Did you remain friends after the breakup?
No.
Okay. That's so candid. No.
No. Nung tinanong rin sa akin yan una, it was so hard for me to answer. Pero I have to, stick to it. But I have nothing against my ex. It's just that it's hard to say that we're friends because after the breakup, we never saw each other again and we never really talked to each other.
You never hang out, kumbaga.
We never talked and saw each other again. Plan to see. Natapos lang talaga yun. Natuldukan and then wala nang. So I can't say we're friends kasi parang it's impossible that we're friends.
Oo. Kasi parang yun na nga that's an overused term na parang porque okay kayo, nung nag-break kayo, friends na agad. Parang 'di ba there's a lot to the word Not naman to say na parang pag sinabi mo na hindi kayo friends, hindi naman kayo mag-aaway.
Yes. Siguro lang din kasi, at first nga, I don't think also it's like I should pressure myself if I should, ask myself, dapat ba maging friend ko siya? Kasi parang I was able to move forward naman after the breakup. So parang, I don't want to go back there and question myself, dapat ba friends kami? Kasi parang okay na ako And with him, he's okay na also with his life right now. So parang it's better to move forward na lang. And I don't wanna, pressure myself na isipin ko pa ng maigi kung kailangan ko ba maging friends kasi it's not a big deal to me anymore.
Yes.
It's none of my business anymore na to go back there or like to be part of his life again. It was a mutual decision. We both agreed to it. Wala namang galit sa isa't isa after the breakup. So, I think it's better to just keep it that way and we both move forward quietly without any, walang sumbatan and everything. So, I think
yun ang maganda di ba? Na parang you decided to end the relationship and that's it.
That it didn't work. Yeah, so yun lang talaga yung parang people are making a big deal out of it. Kaya nabibigla din ako parang tapos na ako dyan. Tapos biglang ito na naman. So I really get pressured.
Pero, okay, kamusta naman yung buhay single? How is it being single again? Kasi, iba yan.
Yeah, I actually enjoy being single. Siguro the first few months, I'm not gonna lie, it was very difficult for me kasi when I started living alone, that was the time also that I just had a breakup. So parang I really felt physically, emotionally, and mentally alone. I was, yeah.
Wait,
Pero
Ash, hindi ba torture yan? Na parang...
I know that my friends were, they're all there. I actually know the people who are there for me. I will never forget the people who were there for me at my lowest. Pero ito siguro yung parang pivotal moment ko rin. Last year was a very tough year for me, especially the last few months. I started to love myself more, to prioritize myself. The process of really accepting everything and telling yourself na you have to, kailangan mong panindigan ginawa mong decision. It was hard. Of course, syempre, mag-isa lang ako dito. Ramdam ko talaga yung lungkot ko. I'm not gonna lie, the days na I would just magmukmuk lang talaga ako dito. And the pain that I had that time, I really welcomed it and embraced it. Kaya,
Mm.
I was able to recover from it kasi in-acknowledge ko talaga yung pain ko. And it's okay to acknowledge your pain. It's part of life. And then after that, I realized, I was actually so proud of myself na, wow, I actually did it. Na parang,
Finally, no? Oo nga, no?
ako, I learned how to be emotionally and mentally strong, to be physically independent.
Kumbaga,
Going back, ako
oo.
like the
Kumbaga
drive.
yung inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo. I guess, no, na
Yes.
parang, tama ka. Yun dapat ang ginagawa, yung if you're going through something really, yung malungkot sa buhay mo, like, of course, a breakup, unahin mo yung self-love, self-improvement, everything about yourself, na
Yeah.
yung mararamdaman mo na inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo at minamahal mo yung sarili mo, and, inch
The
by
rest will
inch,
follow.
you'll get
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. So, sabi ko, like, yeah, I think maybe I was going through a hard time that time. Pero, I would always look at the bright side also na, I have my biggest breaks. I think I have to focus on this. And, so now, I'm really proud of myself na I'm a strong, independent woman and I love being single. I think it's gonna stay like this for a while. Kasi alam mo yung
Why not, di ba?
feeling ko rin parang ang ganda-ganda ko. Kasi syempre after the breakup, nawala yung confidence ko and everything. Dumaan ako sa face na, I'm never enough, yung mga ganyan.
Yes.
Pero
At saka yung,
ngayon,
di ba? I mean, welcome the drama. Mag-isa ka lang, nakakarinig ka ng mga sad music. Iyak mo lang yan. Ganyan.
those are like a few couple of months that I was like that. And I'm not actually ashamed of it.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon na parang I'm happy, I love myself. Alam mo, I attract a lot of people also. So parang yung pag nalalaman ng mga lalaki na single pala ako, suddenly ang tapal naging interesado sa akin. So parang feel ko, ganda-ganda ko.
Hindi. Actually, to tell you honestly, pag minahal mo yung sarili mo or inalagaan mo yung sarili mo after, this much I have learned, it opens you up to a nicer place. Kumbaga, it opens a door to a nicer place na pupuntahan mo. And doon, makikita mo yung sarili mo in a different light. And
Yes.
people will start to see you
Yes,
na
yeah. That's
maganda
true.
rin.
That's true. It really has to start in you and then the rest will follow.
Oo. Kasi natatandaan ko, of course, years ago, naramdaman ko rin naman yan. Like parang mga breakups na yan. Parang ang feeling ko, ano ba?
Yung
Dalawa
mga
lang naman yan eh. Dalawa lang naman yan eh. It's either you stay there or you start moving.
Yes, that's true. That's one thing I learned also na, syempre, rejections, failures, and pain is really part of life. But you should always know how to recover from it. You should always have the resilience na parang you
Yes.
have to get up. You can't allow yourself to be stuck there. Because if you allowed yourself to be stuck there, nothing will happen. You're gonna be
Mm-mm.
stuck in that dark hole and just be
Pero alam
depressed.
mo, 'di ba Ash, yung going from point A to point B, na sabihin mo yung magse-self-love ka, yun yung mahirap eh.
Yes,
Pero-
actually, that's the hardest. The recovery stage is actually the
Yes.
hardest.
Pero yung pag nasimulan mo na yung point B, tuloy-tuloy na yan. B, C, D,
Yeah,
E, F,
and
tuloy-tuloy
it
na yan.
doesn't really have to be right away. As in talaga yung recovery stage ko was like
Yes.
tiny steps, day by day, hour by hour. As in talagang tiny steps hanggang sa na-reach ko na yung quota na I'm okay already. In the beginning, it's really hard. Hanggang sa pagitna, alam mo yung parang it gets easier and easy.